Hello, 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 Insure Black America. How are you today? So we're going to go ahead and I am going to get into it. So it is February. Can you believe it? It is February 2021. Wow. Second day of February. And so this month we're going to be talking about, I'm going to be talking about supplements, not just Medicare supplements, but supplements. So today's video is titled Gap Coverage for Health Insurance, right? So I know everybody has heard about Gap, when it comes to your car insurance, but did you know that there's actually a gap insurance for health insurance? And so that's what I'm going to be giving, like, kind of an overview today. And so before I get completely entrenched and deep into it, my name is Katrice-Daniels. If this is your first time watching one of my lives or maybe seeing one of my YouTube videos, I'm a licensed health insurance broker. I'm licensed in 10 states, and I'm also the founder of Insure Black America, where my mission is to close the coverage gap in healthcare for Black Americans. Okay? And so, getting into today's topic, we're going to be talking about supplements. So, gap insurance, like with you have car insurance, when you say you get in a wreck and you get totaled and the car insurance doesn't pay the whole amount, then that's when the gap insurance takes in and it takes care of the gap. Well, there are products, insurance products for health insurance that do the exact same thing. They're not called gap insurance, but essentially it's the same concept. Okay, so they're just called supplemental insurances. Okay, there's different types. There's there's the accident. There's supplemental for your hospitalization. You can get a supplemental plan if you're somebody that has heart conditions. There's cancer policies. Those are supplemental policies. Disability insurance, short-term, long-term. Also, fixed hospital indemnity plans. So those are supplemental plans. So basically, supplemental plans are plans that close the gap. They close the gap in what the insurance pays and then you're out of pocket. Now, depending upon which plan you get, you may get some that cover everything, or you may get some that covers a percentage of your out of pocket. It just depends on, what you choose when you're signing up. There's different options. Of course, there's different premiums amount. They are they're optional for additional premium. So when you sit now and you're talking about your health insurance, and I'm asking you all these questions and we're doing a health needs assessment, then you are, I'm asking you a lot of those questions to see if, when we're finding your health insurance, also, if, say you're somebody who has had cancer in your family, multiple people have had cancer, or you may be at risk for it yourself, I may present to you a cancer policy, okay? That will pay you in the event that you need radiation, you get diagnosed and you need radiation or what have you. One plan that I do tend to write quite a bit of is a heart plan that I give for people who, may be at risk for heart attack or stroke. And if you were to have a heart attack or a stroke, then you would get a cash payment amount to you. Now, what I love about these supplemental plans is that the money comes to you. So the money doesn't go to the insurance company, not the insurance company. It doesn't go to the doctors. It doesn't go to the hospital. The money comes to you, right? So how cool is that? If that's cool, Drop a 1 in the comments if you think that's just cool, because I think it's cool. Like, you get the money. The money comes to you and not to the doctors or the hospitals. Okay, so you can take that money and you can use it for your hospital bills. Your out of pocket. But also, if you need it for household expenses, so to pay your rent, to pay or mortgage, to food on the table, gas in the car payments, whatever you may need, the money is yours. So you can use the money as you see fit. So if you need that money to help you into recovery mode so that you can recover, hello, hello, hello. If you need that money to help you get through your recovery until you can go back to work, then you can take that money. You may decide that you want to put some of it towards the hospital bill and some of it towards your household. Now, if you're just jumping on this, I'm talking about supplemental plans. I'm just kind of doing an overview. I'm going to kind of go a little bit more in detail as the month goes on, because this month are supplemental insurance. But yeah, so all of these plans, they are, like I said, for an additional premium in addition to your health insurance. Dental and vision are also supplemental plans because they're not like major medical plans. And there's different types of dental plans that you can get, different carriers. One thing that people do need to understand is that you can't have two, more than one insurance. So like when it comes to the dental and vision, say like you're a married couple and your husband has you on his dental and vision plan, you can purchase another dental and vision plan completely outside of the workplace, and then you will have two. And so what one doesn't pay for, the other will pay for. I used to do that quite a lot because, as you know, dental charges can get quite high. So it's just something to think about as well. So that's pretty much it. Just an overview. I wanted to do a quick overview, and I hadn't talked to you guys in like a week, I think, or a little over a week. So I just want to say, come on and say hi to everybody. But before I jumped off, if you found value in this, you can go ahead and share it out. If you have any questions about supplemental insurance or how it works, you can either message me right here on the page, on the Insure Black America page, or you can email me at kdaniels@insureblackAmerica.com. But before I go, I just want to speak. So, the executive order that was signed. So on the 15th, open enrollment for the marketplace will be open again. Okay. So if you missed the open enrollment from November to December 15th, you can, and you are looking to get insurance on the federal exchange. Now, if you live in a state that has a state exchange, that this open enrollment does not apply unless those states have said that they are going to open their marketplace. But if you are utilizing the federal exchange, if you live in a state that utilizes the federal exchange, open enrollment is coming back for open February 15th through May 15th. So if you do not have insurance, especially with everything that's going on with the COVID and the vaccines and all the this and the that, the flu is still around. They're not talking about it because COVID trumps everything at this point, but flu is still around. If you don't have health insurance and you are prone to getting the flu, or you are somebody who you just need health insurance. Ain't no this that. You just need health insurance. Everybody need health insurance. But with all of this going on, if you did miss the open enrollment, the regular annual open enrollment, there is a new special open enrollment coming on the 15th. And so if you need to book a health needs assessment with me, you can do so. I think I put the link. I don't know if you guys can see it. If you can see it, let me know. Just say, yeah, I can see the link. But you can go to insureblackAmerica.com to schedule your free health needs assessment with me if you are needing health insurance, or if you have insurance now currently and you would like me to go over your insurance to see if there may be some better options, a better option available for you, or just to explain to you your insurance, because you don't understand it. You got it, but you don't understand what it is. You can book a free health needs assessment with me at insureblackAmerica.com. Okay, so I just wanted to throw out there that open enrollment is coming open. Don't sleep on this, people. Do not sleep on it. It probably won't be open again until the normal time in November, and that won't take effect until 2022. So if you need health insurance right now in 2021, now is the time to be getting those ducks in a row so that you can go ahead and get your health insurance, okay? So I hope you guys found value. If you did, go ahead and share it out. Invite folks to like the page. I got quite a few things up my sleeve for Insure Black America, so I'm very, very excited about that. All that's coming in the next few months. So stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening. I will see you guys later. And remember that together we can close the coverage gap in healthcare for Black Americans. You guys have a great rest of your evening and stay safe.